Well, hello and welcome back to the channel. This is day 4 of our Canary Motorcycle Tours adventure. Today we have Nigel up front, who's leading us, who's been leading us for all the days we've been out. He's an excellent guide. Behind him is American John, who's out with us for the first time. And then Ian, Kona, Patrick and myself, our wee Scottish contingent, and behind me is Nick. But today the plan is, apparently, is we're going to go right round the island. So we're pretty much not necessarily hogging the coastline, but in that vicinity. And certainly I know there's a great coastal road up the very top, which I've been quite excited to look forward to actually riding on. So yeah, hopefully all going well, we'll get up there and we'll get some fantastic footage from that section. So we'll catch up with you later once we get up to some more interesting roads. Hey, it's going to be a good day, so don't go away, kids. Don't go away. This is going to be a good one. We've put quite a few miles in. We're making our way up to the north end of the island. It's slightly overcast, but not bad. Temperatures up at 17 degrees. It was 20 a minute ago. But it's fine. It's nice conditions. Sun's coming up now though, it's getting brighter. That's better. We need some good light for the photography. We don't want it dull. I don't want to show you a dull video. And I have to say, I'm having a ball. This is a fantastic holiday. The crew at Canary Motorcycle Tours couldn't be nicer. They're such a friendly bunch of people. They're so helpful. It doesn't come over as some corporate, faceless, money-making racket. In fact, I would say it's very personal. They're very attentive to your needs, very helpful, and I would say value for money. I think these tours are absolutely incredible. What you're getting for your money, they're brilliant. What a brilliant place to come and ride a bike in the winter. Hassle-free, great fun, great bikes. Oh yeah, I would recommend it to anybody. This has been a tremendous experience. I thought it would be good. I had high expectations, and if anything, it's exceeded my expectations. It's even better. It's fairly typical of a lot of the towns over in the Canary Islands. The dog eats out, eating out of the rubbish bags. A lot of the villages in that aren't the prettiest, but they've certainly got character, that's for sure. It's an island full of contrasts. We were in the capital, La Palma, yesterday, and you could obviously see there's an awful lot of areas which people aren't very well off. And then there was other areas heading down towards the beach, which I can't remember the name of, which was stunning. But that was a much more wealthy area. Yeah, I take it this is a wee coffee stop for this morning. It's about 10:30ish. That's when we normally stop for a nice cup of coffee.
Some nice roads.
Yeah. Well, that was a lovely wee stop there for coffee. And it was even extra special because it was actually coffee and cake today. So the next part of our wee journey should take us up to our lunch stop. We're up in the north of the island now. Las Palmas, the capital, would be off to our right hand side, over these hills. We're not really very far from the capital. We're going to head along the north coast of the island, where there should be some quite fabulous roads and views. And the sun's come out, it's lovely, 20 degrees in February. All the abused people back in the UK who are still sitting in the cold. Feel sorry for us having to do this for you. Look at the waves coming in over there, incredible, huge waves. You can see the waves there crashing in. I think we're going to start climbing. Hopefully this is going to start climbing up to the cliff road, which should be good. It should be in this sort of area, or maybe we're not quite over there yet, I don't know. Oh yeah, I looked up there. Hey, this road looks good. This looks like an interesting bit of road, winding its way around up here. Yeah, fun bit. Into this wee valley here. It's quite lush up here and green. That's mainly because it's the top of the island, which gets a lot more rainfall. This is fantastic. I love this kind of riding. It's absolutely brilliant. You're always trying to keep it as tight to the right hand side as you can, because there's some blind corners, and if a car comes round and you're in the crown of the road, yeah, you don't want to meet them in that position. So try to keep to the right edge, keep right out. Give as much clearance to any oncoming vehicles as you can and give yourself the best chance of seeing them. Most of the time you're in a pretty low gear, second and third gear. You're just rolling on and off the throttle, hardly touching the brakes. Just using the gearbox to get the braking effect. Yeah, an odd wee touch on the rear brake just to get that wee bit drag now and again to help pull it round the corners. But mostly just no brakes at all, just using the gearbox. Wee bit brake there, maybe. Looks like a nice wee place. Well, we're back on the road again. That was an absolutely delicious lunch. A lovely wee fish restaurant, absolutely beautiful food. Delicious, loved it. So we're back on the road. Apparently we're going to be going, I can't remember the road number, but it's reported to be the most dangerous road in the whole of Spain. A very high mortality rate for motorcyclists. Yeah, this is just to lighten the mood a wee bit. And we're going to, this is what we're going to take on this afternoon. We won't be going crazy, that's for sure. But let's go and see what the most dangerous road in Spain is going to be like. They're shooting away up there just now. A nice day for it. It's 23 degrees, the roads are dry, we've got some good bikes. We've spent a few days practicing on some arduous roads, well not arduous, technical roads on the island. So I think we're ready for it. We're ready for it. So let's go and have some fun. Sensible fun. That stunning scenery up here. See these hills or mountains, they're absolutely gorgeous. This is a beautiful island. Great for motorcycling, that's definitely for sure. Perhaps this is the one that he was talking about as being the most dangerous road. I would expect it to be there. The road conditions in that last one was a bit backcountry road. This looks more like what would be construed as a road that bikers would absolutely hammer on and get themselves into trouble. It's a nice wide road, good surface. Obviously there's a lot of bends that can catch you out. So it's an interesting wee town. Let's go and see what it's all about. Let's see if it lives up to its reputation. Well, let's not hope it doesn't live up to its reputation for being the most dangerous road in the whole of Spain. Not today anyway, please not. It's a beautiful road. Oh, you see it winding its way up the hillside there. That looks fantastic. This reminds me of bits on the island of Skye. It's when you come around some of the locks on Skye and it winds its way up the hill like that. The weather's better here though. Oh, what a road, look at this. Oh man, this was worth coming for. This was worth coming for. Wow. Oh, wow, 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 wow. This is incredible. I can understand why they're saying it's a dangerous road. It really is. If you were going really incredibly quick on a sports bike or any bike for that matter, there's just so many bits you could be caught out on. You really have to be careful. And it's not just you, it could be other cars and things or bikes that come around the corner on the wrong side of the road. It doesn't have to be your fault. Yeah, put everything you've learned this week into practice here. Keep on your own side of the road. But look at it, look at the road, the way it winds through. Gee. Look at it going and winding its way up. Oh my god, look at that! Look at it going up the hillside there. What a road! What a day for it too, it's perfect. This reminds me of going up Stelvio. Oh, look at that rock formation sticking out there. Gee, the drop down there. Oh, wow, wow, wow. You don't want to go over there. Never be seen again. There must be a pile of bodies just piling up down there. That looks, I think that was the wee village we stopped in for lunch, just over there in the distance. Could be wrong. Oh man, 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 man. Look at what we've got to come. It's incredible. A lot less traffic on this because this is the old road now, and it's all the traffic will be going through the new tunnel. God, it's windy up here, it catches you. And if this was the main road coming round the top of the island at one time. Yeah, no wonder they're building tunnel network for all the heavy traffic. Yeah, this is the coast road that I was thinking about, not the one we were on the other day there. This is it. What a place, what a road. I think the whole day's riding is exceptional, but this is the cherry on the top of the cake for sure. What a brilliant road! Oh, fantastic! Eh? What a road! What views! It's absolutely stunning. This is the old road here. It's actually closed off because of the new tunnels. So we're going to go along here basically to the end and then have to come back to that last junction. Because potentially this is a no-through road, so there might be very little or no traffic on it. It's an experience, that's for sure. What a brilliant, brilliant bit of road. I have to say, this is a bucket list road, this one. It really is. Look at the road, look at it. Just almost fall off the end of the world up here. What? Imagine this being the main road though at one time, and a lot of heavy traffic on it. Gee whiz. You watch some roads across the world on various videos, the ones that are potentially dangerous, and you know, this is no far off up there with some of the worst. Although it's still a blooming good road, it's a good surface. I wish we had as good a surface on some of our main roads in Scotland. There's still not really any great potholes or anything in it. So a bit of cracking here and there, but that's about all. What a height we've been climbing. This is a high road. And we're still going up. And we're still going to go up a bit further. I'm glad I've got my vented jacket on. Otherwise I'd be sweating buckets, I think, doing this. Oh, God, at the end of the world.
Great views, eh?
Eh? Oh, that was brilliant, brilliant. last part of the cliff road we were on was blocked and we came to a dead end, and we've been back through the tunnel. We've kind of came up to the other side of it a wee bit, and there's a viewing platform up here we're going to have a wee look at. So this is basically on the other side of the roadblock, or the closed section, mainly due to landslides. Here we are. This is another beautiful road to ride on, absolutely stunning. What a fantastic road to ride a bike on. This is brilliant. This has been another great day. The first day we came here, I thought the roads were absolutely wonderful, and they are. But I really thought that most of the days we go out riding it'll all be pretty much quite a lot of the same, but each day it's had its own different edge to it, different interesting features. They've been all completely different, which has been wonderful. We've got one more day to go tomorrow, and I have no idea what they're going to throw at us tomorrow. But there've been 4 different days out on the bikes on some amazingly wonderful roads. And I have to say, I'm loving my wee V-Strom. It's a lovely, lovely bike. I'll miss this one, I have to say. It's not a bike I ever considered, but wow, it's surprised me. It may just be because it's on these roads. It's particularly well suited to these roads, that's for sure. Oh, look at this, hills, these up there. Wow, 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 wow. This has to be the best place I've ever ridden a motorcycle. It is brilliant. Oh, there's a pothole! I think it's the first one I've seen. Look at these rocks have been coming down here. And that one there in particular, just sitting up there ready to fall on top of you. It's quite late in the day. Normally the tours finish at 5 o'clock, but it's a long one all the way around the island. It's 20 past 5 at the moment. We've still got about another half an hour or so's run. Probably about 6 o'clock by the time we get back to the depot. But most of it will be a pretty boring road back on the main roads. So I think we'll close this one for today. It's been a fantastic road. That the roads up around the north, that coastal road was awesome. Brilliant day's riding. Hope you all enjoy the video. Catch you on the next one. Bye for now.